Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this world. My name is Umesh, and guys, I'm here today to talk to you about the digital business. And I have a special guest all the way from New York. She's a single mom, she's a great mentor, and she will be sharing her digital journey with us today. So, you guys will know about our global digital business. The reason why I'm here because I want to share with you more information about our global digital business. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Umesh Rumba and I live in Dubai and I'm a full-time digital business owner and I do help people to build their own online businesses. Guys, so during our interview, if you have any questions, if you want to know anything about our digital business, please feel free to ask questions. We will try to answer all of your questions. All right, guys. So I'm gonna invite my guest all the way from New York, SUSHMA Limbu. Hello, Susma ji. Namaste.
Namaste.
So
Right.
thank you so much for joining my live interview. Susma ji, would you like to introduce yourself to my followers?
Yes, definitely. I'm like so excited already. सबैजनालाई नमस्ते सेवारो भन्न चाहन्छु. And first of all, Miss Viola, thank you so much for your
You're
invitation.
welcome.
It's my honor to be in your page. First of all, I'm so proud and proud of you, what you are doing and helping your team and helping the people to change their lives. होइन सबैजनालाई गुड मर्निङ गुड आफ्टरनुन गुड इभिनिङ वर्ल्डको जुनै पार्टबाट होइन जुनै प्लेसबाट हजुरले हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ अथवा रिप्ले हेर्नुहुन्छ हजुरलाई सबैजनालाई स्वागत होइन हाम्रो मिस भाइको यो सोमा लाइभ स्ट्रिममा अनि यस मैले आफै इन्ट्रोड्युस गर्नु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ लाइक मिस भाइ हेज अलरेडी मेन्सन माई नेम मेरो नाम चाहिँ सुषमा I'm originally from Nepal but right now I'm here in New York for the past 8 years. I'm a single mom. Profession wise I'm working as a realtor full time. Ani, now I'm a proud, successful digital business coach.
Definitely.
हजुर.
हजुर.
So
तपाईँको सबै माइलस्टोन्सलाई congratulations है. Like I must say that you're doing good in the digital business. Okay, my first questions, I want to know as a realtor, like you're a realtor and like you're doing many activities, but how did you come to this digital business?
first of all, as an immigrant, let me start, my journey over here in New York, how I ended up being in a real estate. Then after that, I'll come to your, questions, right? Yes, as an immigrant, Umesh Bhai, I know everybody, we have our own struggles. We have our own, painful journey when we are starting our life from the scratch abroad and that and so yes, we also started from the scratch. I came here, Umesh Bhai, in 2014 with my son from Singapore and but as soon as we landed one of the most expensive city like New York, then we realized that wow, the life is not that easy. All right. And I used to work like 13, 14 hours a day as a nail technician. I was working full time that time, and I was working part time as a housekeeper. Okay, so even like working 13, 14 hours a day was not enough to pay all those piles and piles of bills that I had, especially my boy. My son's college fee was so super expensive. And rentals, other bills, there are like so many bills, right? So it was like so tough. And working under somebody, Umesh Bhai, I never, I never had like a really good family time, and there like we never used to have any, festivals together. We never had like any vacations together, and even like sometimes even when you are sick or when you're not feeling well, it's hard to get day off, let alone other activities. Okay. And after that, I still used to remember, I still remember those days when we used to live in a semi basement apartment. And as a mom, I always used to feel guilty that wish I can raise my boy in a, at least like a decent, apartment, decent place. That's how I, felt every single day. And yeah, before going to bed, every time I was like praying to the God that One day, I really wanted to wake up, seeing the sunrise from my window. That's how desperate and determined I was, Umesh Bhai. Okay. Then I was like, okay, since I'm in a land of opportunity, let me push myself. Okay, work hard. And I got a license in real estate. And yes, for the
All right.
past, yeah, 4.5 years, I'm doing real estate. And why I'm looking for a side hustle is because real estate is something, Miss Bai, which is like so stressful. You are
Correct.
literally, every day you are literally competing with others. And as immigrants, we are here facing the challenge, dream. Where is the goal that I really want to, focus on? And on top of that, where is the quality time that I really want to give to my son? होइन जहिले यही पैसाको पछि पछि भागिराख्ने
हजुर।
हो, त्यो फिल हुन्थ्यो। अनि यस
Mm.
2020मा जब कोभिड हिट भयो अनि when we both were like stuck at home, त्यतिखेर चाहिँ I started, we are like, okay, let's find something that we can do from home as a side hustle, at the same time, having more quality time together. भनेर खोजिराख्दा चाहिँ, that's how I ended up finding this business.
Thank you so much for your wonderful answer. मेरो अर्को क्वेसन चाहिँ why did you choose this online business than other online businesses?
I think मेरो mentor Himali Gurung, I think I'm the first one who asked her like tons of questions before joining this business. होइन उसले भन्छ कि हिमाली सुषमा दिदी तपाईँ जस्तो त मलाई कसले नि सोधेन भन्छ क्या। किन भन्दाखेरि म त I was really wanted to find out whether होइन कुन मैले यो बिजनेसमा पस्दैछु भने म कस्तो खालको बिजनेस गर्दैछु भन्ने त मलाई त थाहा हुनु पर्यो नि त होइन। त्यो थाहा नभइकन how am I going to jump right away, right? So त्यही भएर चाहिँ हजुरहरू कम्फर्टेबल हुनुहुन्न भने that's very normal. आउनुहोस्, फर्स्ट भनेको चाहिँ क्वेसन सोध्ने हो होइन। Shoot as many questions as possible. We are like so proud to tell you what this business is all about. सबै तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ यसको चाहिँ भन्नाले होल कोर नै बताउँछौँ होइन। अनि अर्को भनेको चाहिँ अब तपाईँहरूको यो बिजनेस भनेको चाहिँ इट्स अलरेडी लेजिट होइन, लेजिट इन अ सेन्स द्याट भोलि गएर एट द एन्ड अफ द इयरमा हजुरहरूले ट्याक्स फाइल गर्नुपर्छ द्याट दिस इज लिगल बिजनेस होइन। अनि प्लस अब हामी जस्तो इमिग्रेन्ट्स मान्छे उमेश भाइ, इलिगल भन्ने कुरा त हामीले त कुनै टच गर्नु नै भएन, हो कि होइन भन् त। अनि अब आफ्नो देशमा भएको भए फाल्टै कुरा हुन्थ्यो। अब अरूको देशमा यसरी बसेको छ, we shouldn't do anything which is like illegal, which can hamper our status. So already तपाईँको त्यो नम्बर युज गरेपछि this is a legal business. अनि अर्को भनेको चाहिँ यो बिजनेस भनेको it's something the company is running over like 50 years.
म चाहिँ के भन्न चाहन्छु भने अलिकति लाइफमा तपाईँहरू चेन्जेस खोजिरहनु भएको छ होइन। अनलाइन प्लेटफर्ममा तपाईँ इन्ट्रेस्टेड हुनुहुन्छ भने यो एकदम राम्रो अपर्च्युनिटी छ होइन। विथ ग्रेट कम्युनिटी होइन, जति हामी कम्युनिटीमा जति मेम्बर्सहरू छ एकदमै प्रोफेसनल मेम्बर्सहरू छ होइन। तपाईँले धेरै कुराहरू सिक्नुहुनेछ। प्लस यो बिजनेस रन गर्नुको लागि तपाईँले अब कन्टिन्युसली इन्भेस्टमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने छैन, वान टाइम इन्भेस्टमेन्ट हुन्छ कुनै पनि बिजनेसमा होइन। अन्त त्यो इन्भेस्टमेन्ट गर्नु लागि तपाईँलाई जस्तो यो बिजनेसमा हामीले जस्ट जोइन गराएर इन्भेस्ट गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने होइन, यो प्रकारले हामी गर्दैनौँ है। जस्तै हामीले पहिला एउटा वेबिनारमा तपाईँलाई प्रोभाइड फ्री वेबिनार दिन्छौँ, त्यो वेबिनार हेरेर तपाईँले बुझ्नुहुन्छ के हो कसो होइन। जब तपाईँले जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो एउटा मेम्बरसिप भनौँ न तपाईँको $149 विच इज रिफन्डेबल, लाइक हाम्रो सुषमाजीले भन्नुभयो लाइक त्यो वान रिफन्डेबल। जब तपाईँले त्यो भिडियोजहरू सबै हेरेर बुझिसकेर तपाईँले दिस बिजनेस इज नट फर यु, यु क्यान रिफन्ड द मनी, इट्स रिस्क फ्री राइट।
Yeah, risk free.
Let's go to the another questions. तपाईँलाई यो जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो ग्लोबल डिजिटल बिजनेसमा सबैभन्दा ज्यादा मनपर्ने लाइक व्हाट डु यु लभ द मोस्ट अबाउट दिस ग्लोबल डिजिटल बिजनेस?
यो बिजनेसमा चाहिँ अब मेरो रियल स्टेट जस्तो आई डोन्ट ह्याभ टु रिच टु द पिपल, आई डोन्ट ह्याभ टु बग द फ्रेन्ड्स एन्ड फ्यामिलीज। अनि त्यति मात्र नभएर होइन, देयर इज नो सेलिङ इन्भल्भ। सो हामीले यहाँनिर केही पनि सेल गर्दैनौँ, वी आर जस्ट लेभरेजिङ आवर लाइफस्टाइल। सो त्यो भयो अनिदेखि on top of that we can do this business from the comfort of our home. We have our own flexibility होइन जहिले काम तपाईँले जहिले तपाईँको फुर्सद हुन्छ त्यतिखेर तपाईँले काम गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Whether you can take this business as a side hustle like you're taking part time or if you really want to do full time, whatever you want होइन. अनि तपाईँले यो business भनेको चाहिँ you can take this business from your kitchen to any part of the world. Even when you are traveling, your business is still running at the background. That's called the automated system. अर्को भनेको चाहिँ I can choose the people whom I really wanted to work with. अनि उमेश भाइले भन्नुभएको जस्तै अफकोर्स यो बिजनेसमा चाहिँ एकदम प्रोफेसनल मान्छेहरू पनि छ, तर यो बिजनेसमा सर्वसाधारण मान्छेहरू पनि छ जसको चाहिँ तपाईँको यो बिजनेसमा आउनुको लागि चाहिँ अलिकति इङ्ग्लिस चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो है, किनभने सुरुमा त ट्रेडिङ त इङ्ग्लिसमा हुन्छ. सो तपाईँको एज लङ एज तपाईँले चाहिँ साधारण इङ्ग्लिस तपाईँले पढ्न जान्नुहुन्छ, बोल्न जान्नुहुन्छ भने द्याट्स फाइन.
We are working as a team, we are working as a family, and this is the beauty of our global digital business, right? So the last questions है हाम्रो अडियन्सलाई अब तपाईँले के एडभाइस दिनुहुन्छ होइन होला अब जुन चाहिँ मेरो फलोवर्स मेरो फ्रेन्ड्सहरूमा कसैले अब साइन अप गरेर बसिरहनु भएको होला होइन सोचेर अब यो जब अब हुन्छ नि तपाईँको स्केप्टिकल मान्छेहरू होइन उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ के एडभाइस दिनुहुन्छ तपाईँ लास्ट एडभाइस दिनुहोस् न.
राइट या फर्स्ट अफ अल चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई जो चाहिँ फ्यान सिटरमा हुनुहुन्छ फ्यान सिटर इन अ सेन्स द्याट तपाईँहरू अलरेडी आएर पनि तपाईँहरू चाहिँ 149 होइन नतिरिकन बसिराख्नु भएको छ. कतिजना चाहिँ अब यो बिजनेस चाहिँ के हो भनेर बसिराख्नु भएको छ भने चाहिँ होइन गाइज लाइफ इज अल अबाउट टेकिङ रिस्क है. होइन जबसम्म तपाईँ चाहिँ आफ्नो कम्फर्ट जोनबाट आउनुहुन्न बाहिर निस्किनुहुन्न, come out from that comfort zone. We, Umesh Bhai, me, we are real people, and having the real results, अनि यतिसम्म के होइन स्क्यामर्सहरू जो मान्छेले तपाईँलाई ठग्छ, जो मान्छेले चाहिँ तपाईँहरूलाई ब्याड इन्टेन्सन हुन्छ भने त्यो मान्छेहरू यसरी लाइफ आउँदैन है. फर्स्ट थिङ तपाईँले already here in this business for a while and we already have experience, right? We already gain knowledge about this business and we are already seeing the results, right? So we are showing the way where you can walk safely, होइन हो भने. सो आउनु नआउनु त्यो बाटोमा हिँड्नु नहिँड्नु तपाईँहरूको इच्छा हो, तर ओन्ली रिग्रेट उमेश भाइ इन दिस बिजनेस मेरो लागि चाहिँ विश आई नो दिस बिजनेस 2 years ago. के पनि भन्न चाहन्छु भने होइन उमेशजी चाहिँ आई हेभ नोन हिम फर अलमोस्ट लाइक अ इयर नाउ. हि इज अ ग्रेट मेन्टर एन्ड आई हेभ सिन हिम हाउ मच ही इज पुटिङ हिज एफर्ट हेल्पिङ हिज टिम है. सो तपाईँहरू यदि इन्ट्रेस्टेड हुनुहुन्छ भने यु आर इन अ राइट प्लेटफर्म विथ a right mentor. So reach out to Umesh ji. उहाँलाई तपाईहरुले फेसबुकमा एड गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा उहाँको यहाँनिर तल वेबसाइट छ www.umeshrumba.com. त्यहाँ गएर चाहिँ उहाँलाई रिच आउट गर्नुहोस्. जोसँग होइन यो बिजनेसमा कनेक्टेड हुँदा पनि हुन्छ, तर कोही चाहिँ होइन राम्रो मेन्टर छ भने चाहिँ डेफिनेटली ही गोना पुल यु अप. So Umesh Bhai is the great example. Right?
Thank you so much for your recommendation, Sushma sis. All right, so I think this is it for our interview today, and I would like to thank everyone for watching our live interview. So definitely I will be coming with another episode with our another business owner. So this is it today. All right, so thank you so much guys. So bye bye, see you next time. All right,
thank